Alright, so as you can see, the car didn't start, the battery is dead. We need a new one. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change out your battery. First thing first, you wanna locate your battery. So as you can see, this is the motor, it's the air box, this is the battery. That's how you can tell. See this red thing here? It's for the positive. Then all the way back here, obviously, is your negative. So positive with the plus, negative with the minus. So what we got to do is take these two screws loose, one right here, one right here, to take all this apart, and then hopefully we can pull it up. If not, it's a safety screw maybe right there that's holding the battery in. We gotta unloosen that as well, and then we can pull the battery up. So let's get to work. Yep, so we gotta take that one out. It's the handle, it's not pulling up. You gotta take that one off. Let's see if this is the right size. I don't think. Let me see. All right. Pull this up, set it over there, and voila. So go ahead, take the battery out, and then go ahead, place the new battery back in. Once you got the new battery back in, you pretty much just doing a simple thing as a reverse process. So put your negative on, but to be honest, the safe thing to do always, connect your positive first, all right? And then connect your negative. All right, go ahead, tighten everything down. Voila. Voila. Put your cover back on, just like so. Make sure you put your security brace back in, just like this. Go ahead, tighten it down. Give it a little pull, make sure it's secure, and voila, you're done. Close the hood. Man, it's getting kind of chilly, but there you go. It's very simple. That's how you replace a battery in your car. That's how you locate it. Get the job done, man. It literally takes 3 minutes at the max, 5. There you go. Teach you something new every day. Enjoy the video. Browse all the other videos. See you next video. Peace.